That's a cool colour, isn't it? Yeah. That looks so cool.
Hi guys, so today's a super exciting day. We're going to go and look at a potential replacement for the M3.
From looking at the M3 replacement.
Every time I bring it out, I'm like, oh, I just really want to wash it.
That car there, that would chop everything in sight, I'm telling you.
What's going on guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today is a super exciting day. We're down here picking up the Skyline that we swapped my M3 for back in March. Jake at 365 Performance has done all the work on it for us. We've had rust repairs done, BC Racing coilovers fitted with airbags over the top. We've got airlift management and it's almost ready. The wheels have been done by Dan at Wheel Unique and they are unreal. Custom BBS LMs. And yeah, we're super excited about it. We're now taking it down to identity wraps for the finished look and then it's going to be delivered to Gravity. So yeah, super excited.
It's just first time I'm driving it, isn't it? What the fuck? What the fuck is this tractor doing? Why has he done that?
We've just got to identity. I've just driven the car for the first time ever and I'm more in love with it than I was before. I don't want to leave it here, to be honest. I want to take it home. But yeah, it's going to be wrapped now, ready for Gravity. I'm so excited about the colour. It's going to look insane when it's done. So we're going to give the car a clean now, get it ready to be wrapped.
Oh God, what is it? Is it a golden retriever? That's a cool colour, isn't it? Yeah. That looks so cool. Yeah, that looks really nice. Oh, it looks even better with my sunglasses off.
How do you start a video? What's up? No, we're not going to do that. All right, guys, it's Andy from Identity Wraps. Beth just brought down the R32 ready for wrapping. See this next at Gravity Show where we'll be trading on Stad 13. What is the colour called? I can't even remember. Do you know what it's called?
Right, so that's it. We're leaving the car here now until Gravity Show, which is when it'll be delivered, completely done, wrapped, and I can't wait to see the colour. I really hope it looks good and that we've made the right choice.
Is that good? Don't. We've just turned up to Identity Wraps, to the Skyline over there. Jordan and Beth aren't with us because obviously they're going to be within that gravity. But yeah, we're going to film the Skyline and R8.